How to send big videos on Telegram. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Photos app on your mobile device and choose that big video you want to send on the Telegram. Once inside the photos, tap on the share icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, once you tap on the share icon, from the share sheet, all you have to do is simply swipe to the right hand side and you can see more button available there. Tap on it. Now, from the list of apps, scroll down and look for the Telegram and tap on it. Now there you can see your group or chat available. Simply tap on it and send that video to. I do not have any friends or groups available on my Telegram, so I'm sending this to my bot. So simply tap on it and tap on the send. Wait for a while. It will take some moment. The bigger the file, the bigger the time it takes. So simply wait for a while, and once it is on the 100%, then it will be sent. So as you can see, my video has been sent. Now let's simply go to the Telegram and check whether the video is sent or not. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.